Are you a believer still?
I think that what's happened is it's been a broadening out. Now, the question is there enough money to go around to buy 3M today and also buy, let's just pick NVIDIA, okay? And the answer is that's to be determined. There is a lot of newer money coming into the market. We'll be talking about splits later today and the nature of the alchemy of it all. But the thing that I'm most excited about, David, is that there are industrials that are doing better than expected. And we have to stay focused on that because when we think about 3M making a comeback, think about where they were. And that is the archetype, okay? And they're having some good numbers this morning. That's what stood out to me. And it makes me think that the industrial leg must be included in any portfolio. That stock's it's only up 2.
Yeah, you're referencing,
are you kidding me? What is that?
You're referencing. But yeah, that's the stock. You're referencing 3M. We should just tell people they're giving us monthly sales numbers, and July was up, I think, 6% year on year, $2.8 billion. Organic local currency sales are up 3%.
Right.
Because don't forget, of course, that weak dollar helps them. Net of divestitures. And you like it, obviously. 29% in healthcare, not a surprise there. But other businesses as well. 9% consumer, 6% in safety and industrial. Electronics were down 7%.
Big in PPE. The tell on this was that when they ended their last conference call, Steve Tusa from J.P. Morgan, said some good things. And he had not said good things before. And that's when you needed, you caught 10 if you just went with his, with Tusa's just slight change. David, does it matter that Mr. Roman, who runs the company, is an exceedingly nice, good guy that you root for? Does it matter?
Well, sometimes nice guys finish first. I don't know, but he is, and we're always happy to have him. There are still those liability questions, Jim. They come up in every interview. They come up in every conference call that he has.
I know. And Barry, one time they had it on footnote 64. But remember, it was at least in the footnotes. And while I was fond of Inge Thulin, the previous CEO, it was never talked about. And I started thinking that Mike Roman got a real bad hand. And he's augmenting the hand. And I think that should be applauded. He did say that July was starting to go well. Putting out this release shows me the momentum is shifting and 3M's a buy. But in part, David, because the industrials are getting much more love. United Rentals this morning gets love. Have you seen the transports of late?
Yep, showing signs of life.